This clip here is showing the ease of loading, ease of operation. He's going to set up here now for an 8-foot plank test. Put the barriers down to the 8-foot position. We have the programmable unit here where there's 4 programs can be housed. Very easy for the operator to put in whatever weight deflection that is allowed by OSHA. After he gets through with this test, we can say that this board truly does exactly what OSHA and ANSI asked for, or else it fails. You can see we got a flexible foot. It's hard to see here, but we've got a flexible foot that comes down, a ball screw motor bringing the board down to the pressure setting. The computer calculates exactly what the deflection rate was. This board is a good board. This board went through a proper test. It did not deflect more than 1.4 inches as allowable for an 8-foot plank. We have here is operational set points. Very easy to operate, very easy to program the computer. You can put 4 programs into the machine to switch back and forth between each program. Very, very easy to operate. What we have here on this page is operational. One thing to notice, we have 2 start buttons to keep your hands out of in the way and get hurt while you're doing safety testing. Plank loading duty, we have lightweight, medium duty, and heavy duty planking. We have barriers the board sets on, 12-foot, 10-foot barrier, holes for the 8-foot board, and a hole for the 6-foot board. The test we're going to be doing here is going to be set up for a 10-foot board. So set them in the 10-foot holes to get the proper span for a 10-footer. This, we're going to go to set point 3 and insert for a heavy-duty 10-foot load test. On the left side, we allow 1.6-inch deflection for a 10-foot board. So the right side is the weight, left side is the load deflection. You see the 2 fingers, 2 buttons, it has to be pressed. Going through the test, this time it shows a red light. That board failed. As the green light comes on, see the load foot coming down, going back up. You see on the left side is the hot brander for date of test. When the job is completed, it passes, the tester comes out, hot brands date of test on the board so that there's never a mistake as to whether the board has been tested or whether it passed. See the 10/30/05 test date on this board. Burned in so that there's no mistake of when it was tested.